Welcome back everyone. Now we need to filter our data per country. So we'll take Japan as our first example. So we are creating here a new data frame. We call it df Japan equal df filter. So this function retrieve the data and save it in this new data frame based on the condition that we have here. So country from df data frame equal Japan, and in this case we need to use double equal. That's how we type the condition if you want to get a specific value in our data frame in PySpark. So df.country equal between quotation, we can put one or double quotation, doesn't matter here, equal Japan. And after that we need to show this data frame. Click anywhere here, shift enter, scroll down, and we can see here we got all the orders when or where the country was Japan. So we can see here we got these orders 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8 orders came from Japan, and in these orders customers from Japan purchased these items. And you can see here again cosmetics is between the most ordered items. And as you see here, most orders here are offline. We have here the order date and the ship date for each order with this unit sold, unit price, unit cost, total sales, and total profit. In some cases, we don't know the exact spelling for a certain word. Here in this case, in countries, it's not difficult to find how Japan or other countries are spelled. But let's say that you are trying to find something else which you may not familiar with. We can use in this case wildcards. Instead of equal, we are using the same function filter, but instead of df country equal Japan, we type here dot like between parentheses and quotations. We are typing here percentage. If you don't know the first letter, you simply telling here PySpark to retrieve all countries that end with these 4 letters. It doesn't matter what is the first letter. So APAN. Let's execute this cell. And as you see here, we got Japan again. It seems to us that the only country that has or end with these 4 letters is Japan. And let's now use another function. We need to retrieve the sales data about India. So creating this data frame df.india df filter df country, and this time we are using a new function starts with these 3 letters I and D, and pay attention that letters should be exactly as appear in your data frame. India starts with uppercase, so you should put uppercase, you cannot put lowercase. So start with these 3 letters I and D, and we need to show this data frame. Shift enter. And as you see here, we retrieved 2 countries, not India but also Indonesia, because both of them start with these 3 letters. So in this case, you need to be more specific. You should add another letter. For example, you should add I if you want to retrieve India only. Let's try another function. Let's this time try ends with dia, so the last 3 letters, and show this data frame. Shift enter. We got India and Cambodia because these 2 countries end with these 3 letters DIA. I'm just showing you here how to use these functions in your data analysis.